Hey everyone, and welcome to my review of the Bearable mental health app. Find links to the app and its features in the description below. Bearable is a versatile tool for tracking and managing both your mental and physical well-being through personalized data. Whether you're managing a chronic condition, exploring the mind-body connection, or simply want to improve your daily life, Bearable offers valuable insights into your health patterns. You can track your mood, symptoms, medications, habits, and even sleep quality. Unlike other apps, Bearable integrates multiple health dimensions into one intuitive platform. Customize the tracking categories to fit your unique needs, especially helpful if you're dealing with complex or overlapping health challenges like mental health conditions and physical ailments such as migraines or fatigue. One of Bearable's best features is its advanced analytics. It identifies correlations between your inputs, like how habits, foods, or medications might affect your mood or energy. This empowers you to make informed decisions about your lifestyle and treatment strategies, giving you control over potentially overwhelming factors. You can also export your data to share with healthcare providers. The user-friendly interface makes tracking simple and stress-free, taking just a few minutes each day with helpful reminders to ensure consistency. Bearable offers a free version with essential features and a premium subscription for advanced analytics and customization. So, if you're looking to understand your health on a deeper level, whether it's managing anxiety, tracking depression symptoms, or pinpointing physical triggers, Bearable is a powerful tool. Check out the links in the description to start using Bearable today and take charge of your well-being.